Here I have ALCATEL U5 and let me show you how to accomplish the hard reset operation on that device, and also let me show you how to bypass and remove pattern, password or other screen lock method on the following smartphone. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key, choose power off and wait until your phone will be completely switched off. Afterwards, you need to use the following combination of keys, the power key and volume up. So let's hold down together these two keys for a couple of seconds, power key and volume up. Keep holding both keys. Release them as soon as ALCATEL logo pops up on the screen, and let's wait a couple of seconds. And that's it, this is the Android recovery mode. Here you can navigate by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. So right now let's choose your desired language. Let me choose English, press power key to confirm it. This is the recovery mode menu. Here you can also navigate in the same way by using volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. So let's scroll down to choose wipe data factory reset and press power button to choose it. Then scroll down again to choose yes, delete all user data and press power button to confirm it. Right now the device is wiping all personal data, customized settings and installed apps. As soon as Android recovery system pops up again on the screen, let's press power key to reboot system now. And the ALCATEL is rebooting and restarting into the welcome panel, so let's just wait until the whole operation will be completed. Excellent, as you can see the welcome panel just pops up, so it means that the hard reset is done. Now you may start activate your smartphone. So that's it, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.